In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy that you can use as a beginner to start earning real money online with CPA marketing. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, I'm going to show you how to use United States offers to start earning money today. And I'm going to walk you through using this mobile install offers, which is usually called CPI. Okay, this app right here is available on both Android and iOS. As you can see, the name of the app is called Atapol, and this app is going to pay you 69 cents. I know this is a low payout, but I can assure you I have a very simple strategy that I have been using, and I'm going to share with you for absolutely free and how you can earn money promoting this offer. So if I click on this offer right here, so as you can see right here, this app is available to residents of United States, and you can make money promoting this app to Android traffic and also on iOS traffic as well. So what you want to do from here is very simple. All you just need to do from here is to copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your link, I'm going to show you a powerful traffic source that you can use to start making money with this app. So before we promote this app, as you can see, the name of this app is called Atapol. So you want to go over to Google. You want to have some information about what this app is all about. So if you come over to Google, you can see this app is going to pay you for completing surveys and also make money online performing various activities. So if I click on this first link, as you can see, this app has gotten over 10 million downloads on Google Play Store already, and you can see it has a lot of reviews already. This app truly pays people to complete surveys, and they also get rewards in various forms for completing certain actions using the app. So now once you have some information on what the app is all about, now to drive traffic, I'm going to show you how to use Imgur to drive traffic to this app. As you can see, Imgur gets over 150 million visits every single month, and majority of the traffic is from United States, where these offers want downloads from. All right, so now the next thing we want to do is to go over to imgur.com, and if you don't have an account, all you just need to do is to click on the sign up button around your screen to create an account. I must warn you, Imgur.com is one of those social platforms that despise promotion of affiliate links or any type of spammy content. So you want to be highly creative when you want to use Imgur to drive traffic to CPA or affiliate offers. So I'm going to show you one of the creative strategies that I have been using, and you can employ this strategy as well to earn money with Imgur. So once you come over to this platform, you are going to see a lot of trending hashtags right here. Okay, so if you click on these more tags, you are going to see a lot of tags that are currently getting a lot of engagement. And an example of that is this funny. So a lot of people come to this platform to consume content, and they don't expect to be shown any link or any sort of spammy content. So we are going to take one of these tags as an example, but this strategy you can use with any of these tags right here. So if I click on this funny, so you are going to see a lot of funny content that are currently getting a lot of engagement on Imgur. So now I'm going to take this one here as an example. So if I click on this one, as you can see, this was posted just 5 hours ago, and it has already gotten over 10,000 views already. This to show you the potential traffic you can get from posting content on Imgur. So I'm going to go back to the home page. So the next thing you want to do is to also post content like this on Imgur. And now you may be wondering, how do you get content to post on Imgur? It's very simple. All you need to do from here is to head over to Google, and you want to type in keyword like funny money images. As you can see, these are funny money images right here that are going to get a lot of engagement on Imgur. So all you just need to do is to repost these images to Imgur, and I'm going to show you how to use this content to make money. All right, so now if I take this one here as an example, as you can see right here, it says when I have more money than my friends. So all you just need to do is to download this image here as an example. So once you save this image, all you need to do from here is to go back to Imgur. So once you come back to Imgur, all you need to do is to click on new post, and from here you want to upload that image. So once you upload that image, you want to give the post a title. So you want to type in something simple like this that resonates with the content you're posting. So something like this, which says me when I have more money than my friend. So you want to type in a title like this. This is just to spike engagement to this post, as a lot of people are going to agree and some are going to disagree. So while people are doing this in the comment section, this is giving this post a lot of engagement, and Imgur is going to push this content to more and more people on the platform. And the more people get to see this content, the more traffic you're going to get to your CPA offer, and the more money you're going to earn. You want to come over to this tag section, and this is where you want to add tags that resonate with this content. So now you want to click on tags and you want to type in funny. All right, so once you type in funny, here you want to also type in money, since this post is related to money. So you want to add as many tags that are related to this image as possible. As you can see, I've added some tags right here. This is all you need to do, and you want to click on post. You don't want to add any link to this post. Like I said, people on Imgur despise affiliate links so much that you can get banned instantly if you add any link to your content. So all you need to do from here is to click on post to community, and here you want to click on post publicly. So once you do that, this is just a quick example for my other account of what a post is going to look like. As you can see, this is a simple post right here, no links under this post, and as you can see, this post has amassed over 5,000 views, and you can see over 5,000 upvotes on this post. So this is how you want to do it, and you are going to get traffic on Imgur. Now you may be wondering, how do you make money promoting the CPA offers? You want to head over to this website called the QRCodegenerator.com. So once you come over here, this is where you want to paste your CPA offer link. So once you paste the link right here, as you can see, this is going to generate a QR code, and all you just need to do is to click this download QR code. So once you download the QR code, then you want to give it a name. All right, so once you give it a name, all you just need to do is to click on download, and it's going to download to your device right away. So you want to create a graphics that look like this, something that says free cookie. You want to put in a text right here that says scan me, and you want to put an expiration date. So this is going to trigger a lot of people to scan this code, and I can assure you, many people get curious to want to scan this code to see if they are going to get this cookie. But once they scan this code, they are going to be taken to this page that is going to tell them they can get paid by completing surveys online. And once they see other people getting paid to complete surveys, and they see 10 million people are using this app right now and 4.5 rating on this app, I can assure you a high percentage of those people are going to want to install the app as well. So this is a very creative way to drive traffic using Imgur. So now to create that type of graphics is very simple. All you need to do is to go over to canva.com. So once you do that, you want to scroll to this section that says social media, and you want to select this Instagram post. As you can see, this is where I created this graphics. All you just need to do is to look for a cookie image online. So if you go over to Google and you type in cookie PNG, you are going to see a lot of PNG you can use, like this one right here. So all you just need to do is to download any of this PNG, and you want to import them to your Canva. So once you do that, you want to drag a text element, and you can drop the text element right here to make it say something like free cookie, and here you want to add the QR code you just made to this image. All right, something like this. So this is how simple it is. Less than 2 minutes, you can create a graphics on Canva. So once you're done creating it, all you just need to do is to click on share and click on download. So once you download it, you want to go back to your Imgur account, and under that post you made, you want to create a separate Imgur account to drop a comment under that post. Okay, so you want to drop a comment like this. All you just need to do is to click on this image icon. So once you click on that, you'll be able to upload this image, as you can see right here. So once you post that image in the comment section, I can assure you a lot of people are going to get curious to want to see if they are going to get this cookie or not, and I can assure you some of those percentage are going to scan this code, and they will be taken to this page where they can install the app either on their Android device or on their iOS device. So this is a very simple strategy you can use as a beginner using Imgur to drive free traffic to CPA offers. And if you find some value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.